So this video is to help with teaching kids their addition and subtraction. So in order to help kids, we could take some basic things like these little foam blocks, and any sort of thing you have in the house can work. I have some other foam tiles that are bigger, so if you want to use bigger things you can. But for now, we're just going to start with these small foam blocks. And what you're going to do is basically just give the kids their simple addition or subtraction problems and let them use these blocks to help them figure it out. So for example, if I start off by saying, what is 2 plus 3? I could allow the kids to take 2 blocks and put them in a pile here, and then take 3 blocks and put them in a pile over here, and say, now what are these combined? And you could have the kids realize, okay, I have my group of 2, I have my group of 3. Now, if I put them together and make one grouping, what do I have? And they can count their blocks to see that they have 5. And then what we can do is we can write this out for them and say, okay, so now you know 2 plus 3 equals 5. And just show it to them. And then we could give them a subtraction problem and say, what is 4 minus 3? All right, and so we're going to say, I have my 4 blocks, and I'm supposed to subtract or take 3 away. So then you can have the kids take 3 of the blocks away. So there go 3 of my blocks. And what am I left with? 1 block. So they know now that 4 minus 3 equals 1. And you can have them write that down. And you can continue this process by just giving them more simple addition and subtraction problems and allow them to use the blocks to help them figure it out. And once they figure out the answer, have them go ahead and write it down. And once they get good at doing these simple ones, you can move on to more advanced, such as what's maybe 7 plus 5. So now we're moving into double digits. And if they get really good at that, then you can try doing it without the blocks and just having them look at the problems.